everyone! Welcome back to the GeoVision Technical Support YouTube channel. Today we are going to set up GVAS Bridge on GV Cloud Access Control and convert a local access controller into a cloud access controller. So let's get started. GVAS Bridge is an access controller that connects up to 8 readers, either from a single GVAS controller or from up to 8 GVDFK1355 readers to GV Cloud Access Control for cloud-based monitoring and management. This enables cloud-based access control for up to 4 doors and 8 readers. When connected to IP cameras, GVAS Bridge can transmit snapshots, live views, or playback recordings to GV Cloud Access Control upon access events. Connecting GVAS controller on GVAS Bridge. On GVAS Bridge dashboard, go to Extended Device Configuration. For this installation, we are adding a GVAS 2120, so we have to select AS210/AS410. Enter device IP address and login information. Now click Submit. Here it shows connected. If you want to change card identification type, go to Card Configuration. From here, select UID or GID. Then click Submit. Add GVAS Bridge on GV Cloud Access Control. On GVAS Bridge dashboard, go to Security Configuration. Provide the Cloud Access Account ID. Click Submit. Now on the GV Cloud Access page, click the Add Device button. On the Model drop-down, make sure GVAS Bridge is selected. Click the Search button. Our GVAS Bridge is displayed. Select the GVAS Bridge and click OK. Type the login password of the GVAS Bridge. Now enable the door you want to use. And add the authentication schedule. Now click Save. When the device is connected successfully, we can see a green tick on the AS Bridge webpage. Now let's check if the readers are working or not. Yes, our card is showing on GV Cloud Access Control dashboard. This is all for today. Thanks for watching.